Hey guys, it's Matt with Meat Church, and today we're gonna be making one of my favorite holiday recipes, which is pork crown roast with a maple bourbon glaze. We've got a pork crown roast here, so what is that? This is a pork loin rib roast that has been Frenched to expose the bones. It's been wrapped in the shape of a crown and tied with butcher twine. Now during the holiday season, these are readily available at butcher shops. Just ask for it and a butcher will be happy to make this for you. This is a really simplistic recipe. We're just gonna season this crown roast. We're gonna use our Honey Hog seasoning, and we're gonna season it pretty liberally. So I want a nice heavy application on this because this is a big piece of meat. Make sure to get down in the crevice here, all over. Now that we've got the crown roast seasoned, I'm gonna let it sit for at least 15 minutes to let this seasoning adhere. When you start to see this appearing wet, that's the salt pulling the moisture out of the meat. It's gonna be nice and adhered. We're gonna get our cooker ready at 275 degrees with hickory, and we're gonna get to cooking. The crown roast is on the smoker, so while that's going, let's make our glaze. We're gonna make a maple bourbon glaze. So let's start out with some grade A maple syrup. We're gonna add some bourbon, some light brown sugar, add a little brown mustard, and then something I like to do is I'm gonna add a pepper jelly. We're going with a heaping tablespoon. You can adjust that to your preference depending on how hot you want it. So this flavor profile is gonna give us a sweet heat with that pepper jelly in it. We're gonna meld this together and we're gonna reduce it by about a third. I want that bourbon to cook down a little bit. And this is gonna pair very nicely with that crown roast. We're shooting for a final internal temperature of 140 degrees. Because this glaze has sugar in it, you don't wanna glaze too early. So I'm gonna start glazing at 130 degrees and do that a couple times in the final 10 minutes of the cook. This crown roast is rested, looks pretty, smells amazing. Let's remove the twine and get to eating. Man, it looks super good. Got a nice smoke ring on there. It's nice and juicy. Time to eat. That's a great holiday meal. For more recipes like this, visit the Academy Sports and Outdoors YouTube channel. And for all your outdoor cooking needs, visit your local Academy Sports and Outdoors.